Crude oil gave seventh straight bearish week. In my last update, I had mentioned very clearly that once the prices stays below 74, certainly you can see a major drop which will take the prices towards $70 levels and below. We have seen oil moving towards 69 before closing the week at 71.4. So does this mean that the bottom for the oil is done, and can we expect a reversal, or is it going to give another round of bearish week from where the rise can be expected? We will see with the help of charts and indicators what to expect from the crude oil, how to profit. Is it going to crash further, or we can expect a reversal? Towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy. Watch till. If you're new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the latest. Let's start. First, on the 4-hour chart, the prices were divergent. We have seen a sharper crash here. The prices were divergent from the 20 period, and now we have seen it rising. Now, crude oil in the retracement zone here, and once it breaks out beyond, now see 70 to 73 and then 74, these are the four resistance levels. If the prices are seen trading above 74, you can say that the prices are reversing, and we can see a recovery in the crude oil where we may see 76, 76.5 as the next resistance. Stochastic here is certainly back to overbought levels with just a little retracement, while the MACD, the most important part is MACD hitting the bottom here and now crossed over and trading with divergence, trading bullish, looking upwards. Now this could bring a further recovery or a V-shaped recovery here, but right now the bullishness or the bullish momentum is still minimal. Stochastic oversold and trying to recover from the oversold zones here. Coming to the daily, now look at the daily chart. See, oil consolidated here between 80 and 75 for a while, and again last week it has given the breakout, and that is why I had mentioned that once it stays below 74.8 and then 74 zone, more bearishness is going to prevail. Now what has happened after the drop? Just observe the last two candles here. On the last two candles, the preceding candle was a reversal sign. It was also outside Bollinger Bands, and that is why we can see a little pullback. Now this is the first greener candle. The second observation here is the divergence of the price from the moving average. The 20 period moving average sitting at around 75. And the next observation here is, look at this channel here. Thus, oil first needs to break past 72-73 zone and then 74 levels in order to confirm the recovery, the reversal, and the rise. Yes, it has to stay above these levels in order to confirm the further rise. Now look at moving averages have crossed over a few weeks back, and since then has been trading with divergence and bearishness, and also there is a divergence of the price from the moving average which can possibly try to converge it towards the 20 period. Stochastic has been trading oversold. It is trying to recover. It can try to retrace on the upside. The MACD has been trading bearish. See, first wave retracement, second wave retracement, third it has initiated, and if you notice the highs for the oil at plus 200 and the lows at minus 200. So yes, this appears that oil has hit a bottom and the possibility of a recovery is there, but right now it is just trying to converge a bit before it takes over a direction. And remember, it can crash further, but right now I think it has seen good bearish move. There is a possibility of a little recovery. Even if it has to fall, it can recover a little. RSI hitting the bottom and trying to recover and trying to rise. Coming to the weekly charts. Now on the weekly charts, see, reversal sign was there, the drop, the retracement, and since then we have seen 7 red candles in succession. Now what has happened last week? See, here also it has shown a reversal, but after achieving the highs and the double top, it has reversed, closed in red. And that is where I have mentioned that yes, if it gives a breakout below this zone, a sharper fall can be expected. That is what has happened here. Now this candle was outside Bollinger Bands. Also, the body size is greater than half of the complete move, suggest, and this was also the breakout, suggests that it can in fact bring another bearish candle here, taking it further down. How low it can go? Now see, 69, 68 zone, as I mentioned last week as well, rather I will say 70 to 67, these three levels or these $3 are going to hold the key for the direction of oil. Look at this, multiple candles on the weekly charts getting the support precisely from the same zone. 67 proven out to be greater resistance. And if oil trades below 70 next week, we can see it probably moving towards 68.2 levels and 67 levels. Thus, you have to be watchful and cautious here. Now, those will be the support levels from where the reversal cannot be denied for crude oil. Stochastic on the weekly charts have come to oversold levels, and now see oversold levels on the weekly charts for oil is just seen after almost couple of years, rather 1 year here. You can see this was the last year end price and this has come to the same levels. Now MACD on the weekly, the retracement, the crossover divergence here, and it is a slow divergence, possibly indicating that there should be a convergence soon. Now also one must notice that it has been trading in this zone, and yes, it is almost at the bottom levels here. RSI looking downwards, trying to suggest more bearishness. Coming to the monthly, on the monthly charts, see prices have again come to the 100 months moving average level. We have seen in the recent past, crude oil on the monthly charts has never closed below the 100 weeks average since last couple of years. It was in the beginning of year 2021 when it was below 100 weeks average and the 20 weeks average. Now after a long time it has just touched the levels. However, it is still not below the 100 weeks 100 months average. Now moving averages after staying bullish have started to converge. This is a slight bearish sign. Also one must notice 4 bullish candles, 3 for reversal or retracement, and after the drop it is still in the retracement zone. It has to come out, it has to trade below 67 levels in order to confirm the drop there, in order to confirm the bears there. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is trading with divergence. MACD is bearish. But look at oil here. First wave, second wave, it is almost at bottom. So at best, this could be the last bearish month for oil, and possibly we can expect a stronger recovery from the coming month. And hence, this month it may try to limit itself between the trading zone, between a very narrow trading zone. If you look at the candles here, this is the third bearish candle hitting the bottom. Now it can try to confine itself within this zone here, that is 72, 78. Yes, it can try to limit itself in this zone. Stochastic is looking downwards, trying to trade bearish. The MACD, as we have seen, it is bearish, and RSI is also looking down. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategies so that you can trade profitably in the coming week and for the month of December. And before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my 28th mentorship batch. The dates are announced. Be a part of it. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals you can benefit. And this Sunday, we have a webinar series coming up. This is a free webinar for 1 hour where we are going to discuss what to expect from the markets in the coming week. We are going to take a holistic view on indices, commodities, and dollar. And also I'll be taking up your live questions as well. So do not miss to register this for this free webinar. The link is shared in my communities tab of YouTube channel, in my channel description, in my video description, and on my free Telegram channel. I give the regular updates for the same. Do visit the free Telegram channel or communities tab and register. Also visit the page www.forexfunda.com for any of my services, where also you have economic calendar, the charts, and the facility to avail or get one-on-one consider at a very minimal cost. Now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for us to decide which direction we wants to take and how to profit. Now I will recommend you to buy oil here at 71.6. Expect 72, 72, 72.4, and then 73. Now this is a greater resistance zone for crude oil. If the prices are seen trading above 73, you can say that the bulls will take over, and then we can look forward to 74, then 75.1, and then 76 levels. Beyond 76 is where the bulls will take over, and we will look forward to 77.2 and plus levels. Sky is the limit. Above this, chances for a such reversal is less. Hence, either it can Even if it retraces on the upside towards 73 or 74, we can expect a drop again, or it may try to trade within a narrow zone. On the sell, I will recommend you to sell here at 71.2, but then 70.7, $70, 69.6, 69, and then we can look forward to 68.4 and 68. Now 68 is the major milestone in the coming few weeks, and only if it stays below 68, further bearishness towards 67. This is critical, folks. $67 levels are going to remain a critical zone. Thus, on the downside, 67 68 zone you should watch out for. If it continues to drop below 69, you can say at least $1 or $2 of move further you can add up before it shows a reversal. But 67 68 is a very important support level for this one. Take your trades accordingly. On the upside, be careful along 74, and on the downside around 68. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my Signals channel, join my free Telegram channel, and do watch the daily updates, twice a day updates on crude oil. Do not miss this opportunity. Thus, press the subscribe button. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. Also, visit the platform www.forexonda.com for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. See you again with the daily updates. Thank you.